I'm Kaylan Chapman. I'm part of integration. I've been here for about a year, and I love what I do.
Great. Maybe say.
So as far as integration is concerned, we take every opponent as far as AC, as far as electronics, batteries, anything equipment-wise that's going onto the boat that isn't welded prior is something that we'll integrate and we'll put in. Safe Boats is different because of the people, period. Everybody cares. Everybody tries so hard. I feel like the people that work here are geniuses in their own right, and the way that we do things here and how much people care and how much people want to help you grow, help you just become the best version of you is really rare. They allow for mistakes. They allow somebody like me who has no real skills, they train you, or they trained me. It's a very much an attitude over an aptitude, which is something that is really hard to find. You can't ever, start anything unless someone gives you a chance. You can't get experience. So for a company like this to allow somebody like me to get experience in a completely different field, it's something I've been searching for a long time. My favorite part about our job here is what we do and what we make. It's as simple as that. What we do is incredible and what we make is spectacular. And they go out and they do good and they help. And that's everything, honestly. It's as real as it gets. Being an employee-owned company is something I never thought I'd be able to retire, quite frankly. And so having that as an option, it gives you more incentive to work even harder than you already do, because what you do helps other people, but you're also helping yourself and your family. If you're interested in working for us, then go to safeboats.com and apply today, please. You'll thank me later.